Well, you made it. You made the groups class. Now, in college, I remember I hated working in groups because there was too many personalities to try to get things done. Some didn't care. We had different levels of commitment to the projects and different levels of commitment to school and that sort of thing. And well, you guys all experienced it, so and you'll continue to experience. But now you learn more about the dynamics. And I know that after I had learned more about group dynamics, working in groups became much easier. And I knew what to expect. I knew about conflict and I knew how to take care of it. All right, so you've done well. The online class, I know we had planned on working in a face-to-face in the classroom this quarter, but things didn't work out that way. And you all hung in there, and most of you completed very successfully this course. So I want to just do a little housekeeping here. The assignments you turned in last night are the end of schoolwork for this quarter and for the requirements of this class. So that should be a good thing. Now, the other thing I want to talk about is the makeups. Some of you are worried about that and concerned, and I understand. Now, if you look at your grades in the on Canvas there, I haven't put zeros in for assignments that weren't turned in. So if you haven't turned in any assignments, I'm going to add zeros to it. And if whatever percentage you have now is going to keep dropping, because then you're going to get, right now you have you have no points out of no points. And if you didn't turn in an assignment, you're going to have 0 points out of 30 points. So that hasn't been recorded. Right now, if I don't put a grade in at all, it just doesn't even count the 30 points. So it will, and it'll do it today. So what we have here is I'm going to allow you to make up 5 assignments between now and 11:59 a.m. on Thursday. And that's 1 minute before noon on Thursday. So remember, it's in the morning now. It doesn't stay till midnight. So Thursday, 11:59 at a.m. I mean, in the morning. Okay. So make sure that you get things in by Thursday morning. Now I'll open up most all assignments, but any of the group assignments I cannot open up because we can't put the group back together for you to do a makeup on there. So just realize that. And so those are the ones we can't do. But everything else you can make up, any of the personal ones, the quizzes, the response papers, those types of things you can make up. And I'll open them up sometime today. Got lots of things to grade, and plus your work to turn in. Look fabulous, by the way. I looked it over this morning, and it all looks really good. All right, you guys. Good luck to you all. Hang in there. I know this next quarter in the fall we're still online, and we're not sure. I haven't made a decision for the winter quarter yet, but keep the faith, and we'll get over it. Or we've gone through worse things over the lifetime of this country, so we'll get through this too. All right. Good luck. Nice to have you in class, and I hope when we are back on campus, you guys will stop in the SH building and say hello to me, and so I can see you in person. All right. Bye for now.